In a small village, there was a boy named Arjun who loved mangoes. Every summer, he would sit under a big mango tree in the village square and watch the fruit sway in the wind. Arjun dreamed of having his own mango tree so he could eat mangoes whenever he wanted. One day, an old farmer gave Arjun a mango seed. "This seed can grow into a tree that will give you the sweetest mangoes," the farmer said. Arjun was excited and imagined sitting under his own tree, enjoying the shade and picking mangoes. The farmer warned him, "You must take care of the seed patiently. A mango tree takes time to grow, but it will be worth the wait." Arjun promised to take care of it and planted the seed near his house. Every day, he watered it, waiting for it to grow. But as weeks turned into months, the seed didn't sprout quickly like Arjun had hoped. Frustrated, he thought, "Why wait so long when I can just climb the village tree and pick mangoes now?" Ignoring the farmer's advice, Arjun stopped caring for the seed and started picking mangoes from the village tree. At first, it was exciting, but soon the villagers saw him and warned him to stop. Feeling sad, Arjun went back home. When he checked the seed, he saw it was dry and lifeless because he hadn't taken care of it. Arjun felt sorry and thought, "I missed my chance for my own tree." The old farmer saw Arjun's sadness and said, "You gave up too soon. Opportunities are like seeds. If you don't take care of them with patience, they can be lost. But if you nurture them, they can grow into something amazing." Arjun asked, "Have I lost my chance forever?" The farmer smiled and gave him another seed. Life always gives second chances to those willing to try again. This time, Arjun was determined. He planted the new seed and cared for it every day, even when it seemed like nothing was happening. After months, a small sapling grew. Over time, the tree became strong and full of sweet mangoes. As Arjun sat under his tree, eating the mangoes, he understood the farmer's words. Opportunities are rare and precious. If you lose one, it hurts, but if you take care of it, it can change your life. Moral: opportunities don't come every day, and they need patience, care, and effort to grow. If you miss one, learn from it because life often gives second chances, but only to those ready to nurture them.